Okay guys, I just log in to my cPanel directly so that I can create the website. First to start, we need the domain. I've already teach how you can purchase the domain on my other video. You can watch that. Then from here, how to create this website on a subdomain. For me to do that, just scroll down to the domain section on the cPanel. Look at it, click on this domain. Then the next thing we need to do is to click on create new domain here. Once you click on it, you can just leave it, register a domain, yes. Then the next one to know it, to enter our subdomain. Now the next thing, let me just name my subdomain bank dot. Then I enter my domain. This is the domain I want to use. Then I scroll down. Then from here I can click on this share document route, but I don't want because I want this folder. I want this domain to create a new folder so that I can upload my file. The next thing I need to do is to click on submit. Once I click on submit, it will be loading. From now you will see a successful message here that our subdomain have already created. Next thing we need to do is to go and upload our file. I can just click on here, cPanel. Then I scroll down to my file manager. This is the file manager. Then I click on file. After clicking on the file, I search for my subdomain from here. Let me look at it, bank.logisticname.com. I just open it. For me, I can just remove this. The next thing to do on this our folder, if you are installing this on a website, a fresh website, you just need to upload this file on a public underscore HTML. Because I'm using a subdomain, that is why I enter my subdomain. That's why. But if you are hosting this on a website, on a fresh cPanel, you have to upload it on a subdomain, on a public underscore HTML. The next thing I need to do from here now, from there, both the public underscore HTML and a subdomain, everything work the same procedure. The next thing I need to do now is to click on upload here. After clicking on upload, I can click on this to select my file, but I just want to drag and drop my file. The next thing to do is to open my file that I downloaded. This is the file that I downloaded, as you can see. Then I just need to click on it, then I drag and drop it here. Now you see that our file have started uploading. Now one thing you need to know why our file is uploaded. There are many things we need to put in order. I want to take you step by step. Now, as our file is uploaded, we need other things to do by create a database. Now, let us go and create a database while our file is uploading. You'll just come here, click on panel tools here. You'll just like we go back, then we'll come here. You see this place. This is our database section. When it comes here, you see our database table, everything. When you want to work with a remote database, that's where it comes here. But now I want to show you easier way for you to create a database on a cPanel. The next thing to do is to click on here, database wizard, for example. Then here you can just enter any name of your database. I can just enter any name, bank, BD. Now you can enter any name of your shares. Don't be panic about it. Then just click on next. The next step we are going is to enter our username. Now we have to name our username. I can just call it bank Zano user. You can give it your name, you can put any name that you want. From here, the next thing we need to fill our password. Now these are details we need to connect to our database, which our script to our database, so that people can be registering on the website and log in with their details. The next thing to do is to enter our database. You can type in your database, your password. You have to enter our password here. You can type in your password, but I want to generate a password. Then I just click on this. The next thing to do is to copy our password first. Then I click on here, then I click on use. Once I click on it, the next thing to do is just to click on create. Now this is the other aspect of it. This is where we give a privilege to the database, a user privilege, so that user everything that you want with the database that we created. Next thing I need to do from here is to come here and check our file if it's already uploaded. Now it's still uploading. Then what I need to do is to bring a notepad up here. Just bring a notepad. For the notepad, I will enter all the details that we require. Then this is our password. Next thing to do is to copy this username too. Let us paste our username to copy, because we need these details in our work. Next thing to do is to copy the database to this is our database. After this, I just go back and click on this hub privilege. If you select each of them, alter, create one by one, the number of the things you created is what the user can able to do. But the next thing I want to do is to click on hub privilege so that a user can do anything concerning the database. Then we just go down and click on make change. Now since we have clicked on this, we have already made change. We have created our database, connect our user to our database. Then we are through with this database aspect creation. Then the next thing to do is to click on cPanel. Now let's check if our file has uploaded. We'll click on it. I'll see that our file has uploaded successfully. The next thing to do is to click on this. Once we click on this, we need to, now you see that we need to delete this first. This is not important, we don't really need it. Next thing to do is to extract the file that we uploaded. Where is the file? This is the file. Then if you purchase this file, you will see the database, which is the SQL database with it. Then you just click on it, then click on extract, or you can also right click on it. Then you come to see extract, and you click on this too. It's the same thing. Then click on extract. They ask you where you want to extract into. They just click on extract file. Now our file will start extracting. Now our file has extracted successfully. Just click on close. From here, you open it. You see a lot of file that you needed. These are the file that we needed. The next thing to do is to move this data directly to our subdomain, so that once someone just click on it, enter our subdomain, will automatically load. For us to do that, just click on this, select all, then click on move. Then the next thing to do is to clean this thing from inside the Rosano here. Then click on move file. Now we have moved our file to our normal subdomain. Can you click on here to see it? You can see all the details here. The next thing to do is to connect our database to our script so that they can work together, so that we can do anything the user can do it. The next thing to do is to scroll up to where we get include. Then we open this file include. You see this called config, which is configuration. Click on it, then click on edit, then click on edit here. Now this is where it comes to interesting, whereby we enter our details, our database and our username. Then just scroll down, you see this place, function db connect. This is a set database below. This is where you enter our details. Just open our file here. These are the details we copy. Then you see Ctrl C. This is our database. Then we come here, look for database. Look at it here. Then we change it with the one that is here. Then it comes here. This is the username. Then you change it with the one that is there too. Let us share for user. Okay. Then you go back. There you go back. This is the password. Just copy it and paste it on the password. Okay. Now you paste it. The next thing to do is to click on save. After clicking on save, there are other important things you need to edit on this page too. Now the other things you need to do, define the website title. Now if you are using any name of a bank that you are using that you want to use, you can just change it from here. Say give it a name that okay, logistic bank. Then we can enter our subdomain here as a URL of the website. Then we'll say bank dot logistic dot name dot ng. Then you enter your email here too. All these are for educational purpose. This is how a real website is created on the internet. Now I change it. They can also add the company phone number here. Once you enter those details, the next thing you need to do is just to click on save. Since you have saved it, everything is done. The next thing to do is to upload our SQL database that comes with the script. Then we'll just go back once. Then we'll come here, look at it here, MySQL. Then you can just easily download it. Just click on download. After downloading it, you can just come here, come back to the tools. Then scroll down to database section. This is where you can able to upload the script into, because you just click on PHP MyAdmin. Now, if this is your first time of creating a database on this place and you open your PHP.admin, we only have two databases, but I've created a lot of subdomain here. That's why I see all this. The next thing to do is to look for the database. They look at it, Bank Rosano DB. Then I can just click on it. Then I click on import to import our database that we purchased with the script. We click on it. They look at it, Rosano DB. Then click on open. You just scroll down without touching anything. Then click on import. Now after clicking on import, you can see that our database are imported successfully. The next thing we need to do is to open a browser and test our website if it's working perfectly as you think. As you can see, I just click here, new browser, I just say bank dot logistic dot name dot ng. I click on it to enter. Now, as you can see, our website has opened. Now, from here aspect, you are now the one to edit different things that you need to edit. You understand? You can see everything is working perfect. And mind you, once you are creating any website or you purchase any script, there is what we call documentation, a file that will direct you how you can install the file, how you can use it, and everything. For us to see the one that we purchase with you can just come to the file here, you can open it, then you scroll down, then you see what we call installed guide. That is also the documentation. Don't need to stress yourself, you can just click on open, then you open it. Now this is what it's telling you: create a database, import your database, SQL, everything. Next thing to do, change the details that inside there. Go to here, there you can log in through this username account. I just log in with this first. Let us log in if it's working perfectly. Now we have already created. I just click on login here as a user. Once we click on login, it's open internet. Just enter our details. Then the next thing to do is to enter 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the password. Then click on login. Now it's requesting for a PIN. Can you enter the PIN here? 1 2 3 4. That's all. Then click on verify. Once you click on verify, will take you to the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the client. This work perfectly. You can just click on this. This is how it look on your mobile phone. This is how it look on your mobile phone. As you can see. From here, you can click on view. This is view. Let's say your details. You can click on here to see history. I've not done any history. Go back. You can click on here, my card. You can also request for a card here. And once you click on settings, it comes to the setting aspect. You can put it on a dark mode, change your name, your everything, and all that. You can also make a deposit of the system and anything. It's talking about the recent stock. Find the stock. You can also purchase the stock and hold with this script. That's the work of this script. From here, for this pay can make send, can send money, can add money, can take a loan and all that. That's just the how the website. Let me just go to my browser here, my Chrome. Let me check something. Bank dot logistic dot name dot ng. Okay, it's opening. Let me just apply this mobile. Okay, I'm just trying to give you the review of it. This is how it look on mobile. This is how the website look on mobile. As you can see, it's mobile friendly. As you can see, it's mobile friendly. Very perfect. Once you purchase a script that you want to use to create your website, the script come with everything that you needed to set up that. Any script at all, it come with everything that you needed to set up. Then you can also add a modification if you have a knowledge of programming. But if you don't have the knowledge, there's no need for you to do a modification. You can go or can continue with what you are doing. Just install it. Then you can click on this menu to log in, and you can see how it look on phone. You click on this. Then just as you can see, there come down to the password section. Then I scroll down there, click on sign. Now after clicking on sign in with load, it take us to this verification aspect. This is the verification aspect. Just enter. Then click on verify. You click on verify here. Now it has logged in successfully, as you can see. This is how it look on mobile. You can see that it's mobile friendly and it's perfect. This is your total balance, your limit and everything. You can also click on send money to send money for your account. This site look like everything: international, domestic, wire transfer, crypto, all this one. You can also click on here to go to view. As you can see, you have a good interface. You can click on add money. To add any money, select your payment method, everything. After that, you can also click on loan to take a loan. If you want to take a loan on the app, they say about new loan. They will take you to where you will fill your details for your loan and everything. You can also, if you want to pay for a loan, you can also go. They need help, you can click on here to chat with customer care. You can put a ticket, you can send email, you can share them on WhatsApp. But all these are set by the admin. Then for you to go to the admin dashboard, it's very easy here. You click on, let's just take it as, let me open it as admin. Now automatically will take us to the admin section. Yeah, let me quit this first. This is the admin section. Okay, I enter the details of the admin. Then I enter the password too. For now, you will see how it works. Then click on remember, click on save. On this aspect of the page, this is where admin control everything. Admin control everything. Here you can credit and debit, bank transactions, everything, everything. If you need this script, you can also come. You can also set an SMTP, change the backlink for here. Anything that you want to change, can change there for you, everything. Like dashboard, SMS, you want to use SMS API, it's left for you. You can do anything with it.